so many districts are good here.
Yeah, but Ludhiana is most of the people are working, so I think it's good area for the job purpose.
Uh-huh. Yeah, you're right.
Yeah. So what about Patiala system?
Bro, sorry, actually I'm not proper from Punjab. Actually, here I'm studying, but I
Mm-hmm.
am proper from Bihar. So I have
Oh,
not a deeply knowledge from uh, for Punjab for Patiala
okay, no problem. You from Bihar.
about. I am from Bihar.
So why you choose Patiala for study purpose?
Actually, in my Bihar I have two cost for this course. So I come this side
Mm-hmm.
and I take the college. And I will actually I leave from Bihar to uh, I was bored feel. Actually, I 12th pass out and I once I will go outside of Bihar to study. Yeah,
So
be a person when they leave any one place have regularly, then they feel bored. So I once go outside of Bihar to study.
yeah, okay, as your reason is right, but may I know? And there are lots of institute area like New Delhi and West Bangalore also. So why you not choose there and why you only choose Patiala? Anyone has living for your family from there?
No. Actually, college, Delhi, I don't like that time Delhi because when I went to Delhi, I lived there 5 days. So there I have too hot feel. So I feel I cannot survive here. So I not live there. But I come this side, Zangrur. I living here.
Okay. So what are you doing in your education?
I'm a medical student.
Oh, bro, actually, I heard about it. Like most of the Punjab people, they are interested to medical course. So, do you have any idea
No,
about it? Why people are
no,
interested to?
it's no right. It's no right. Actually, in my college, have a lot of person is they doing engineering course, not medical course. No, it's not similar.
Okay,
Both many person do medical engineering.
okay. So, how much days you are living Patiala?
What?
I want to know how much time you are living Patiala.
Three is my 3 year.
Oh, that's right. After completed your 12th, I think you want to go Patiala, and after completed your 12th, you come here and you are doing your graduation. No? Yeah.
Uh-huh.
After complete it, what would you like to do?
I will go to Delhi
Delhi
and I look for job.
job. Okay. So why you are not choosing job in Patiala city?
I will go Delhi or Chandigarh, both two places. Actually, here also now I feel boring.
Yeah,
This
surely,
place is
bro,
not
surely.
good. Actually, here I lived at 3 year, so
Yeah.
now this place is not feel better. I want to go
Exactly,
Delhi
bro.
or
The
Chandigarh. Yeah.
you know why people living boring after living some places like 1 year 3 years after few years later they are feeling boring. So that's is the main reason of human life, because if you are living a place for a long time, so after few years later you will feel boring from there. So that's the reason
Uh-huh.
everyone plan to go other side. So it's a well plan. Yeah, we should visit all places where we can feel comfortable.
Mm-hmm.
So I think one reason up behind to you, like you are feeling most boring Patiala, that I can guess. I think
Yeah.
actually sometime your voice is breaking. So now I am audible to you.
Yeah, yeah, they will.
Yeah. So I think you want to quit Patiala. There are some reason. One reason, there is no one who carry you. I think you are alone. That's why it is a reason.
Yeah, it's also a reason actually I am alone here. And our a lot of friends live
Yeah.
Delhi side.
For example, in your side, people are living your area.
In Delhi?
No, no, Patiala.
No, I know live Patiala, bro. I live in
I
Sangrur.
know you living Sangrur, so something like Patiala, na?
Mhm.
Yeah.
Yeah. In the college. In the college in the hostel.
Okay. So,
Hostel. I live in the hostel
so how is
of
behavior?
college.
So how is behavior of Sangrur people to your for you?
Bro, same. Actually, all places have a good person or a bad person. All countries have this situation. So I can never judge. But here, person is some kindly nature, good.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
But after evening, all person is take drugs, alcohol, wine, whiskey, and
Yeah.
full take enjoy.
Patiala and Punjab is famous for this because when I visited Punjab, so we have noticed it. More people are taking drugs.
Mhm. Yeah, more person.
Yeah. So,
But how is Delhi?
according to me, Delhi is the good for everything. If I talk about education sectors, Delhi is better. If I talk about job sectors, then Delhi is also better. And government policy, Delhi is also better. So it is because it is the capital of India. So overall thing is good from Delhi. I don't think you will have any kinds of problem from there. If you from Bihar, so it is better for you because Delhi is most of the people who met you, they are belong to Bihar and UP.
Actually, job purpose or study purpose?
Every kinds for every purpose, like you know there are lots of students, they are preparing for UPSC exam. So
Yeah,
all
yeah,
UPSC
right.
student, all UPSC student belong to UP and Bihar. These two states,
Mm,
more
yes, yes,
people are
yes.
interested to become an IAS officer, HDM, maybe something else.
Yeah.